Welcome to Nexus Spaces, your go-to channel for cutting-edge IoT innovations. Today, we're diving deep into IoT and agriculture, exploring its architecture, advanced technologies, and real-world applications, from precision farming to AI-driven automation. If you're excited about the intersection of technology and agriculture, hit that like button and subscribe. Introduction. The global food demand is rising, and traditional farming methods are no longer sufficient. Enter IoT-powered smart farming, a revolution that integrates sensors, AI, robotics, and cloud computing to optimize yield, reduce costs, and promote sustainability. Key benefits of IoT in agriculture: real-time soil and crop monitoring, automated irrigation and precision farming, AI-driven pest and disease prediction, smart farm management with edge computing. Let's start by understanding the fundamental architecture of IoT in agriculture. 1. IoT architecture in smart farming. IoT in agriculture follows a multi-tiered architecture that ensures seamless connectivity and automation. Perception layer. Smart sensors for soil moisture, pH, temperature, humidity, CO2 levels, and crop growth monitoring. RFID tags for livestock tracking and disease detection. Drones equipped with NDVI, Normalized Difference Vegetation Index cameras for aerial analysis. Network layer. Data transmission via LoRaWAN, ABIoT, Zigbee, and UPBWAN for remote farm areas. 5G and Wi-Fi 6 for high-speed connectivity in large-scale farms. Edge devices using MPTT, KOIP, and DDS protocols for efficient data exchange. Edge and fog computing layer. AI-embedded microcontrollers, NVIDIA Jetson, Raspberry Pi ESP32, process sensor data in real time. Low-latency decision-making for automated irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. Cloud layer. Data storage on AWS IoT Core, Azure IoT Hub, and Google Cloud IoT for predictive analytics. Blockchain-based food traceability to ensure transparency in the supply chain. Application layer. AI-powered dashboards, IBM Watson, TensorFlow, analyze historical and real-time farm data. Mobile apps for remote farm management with real-time alerts and automated recommendations. 2. Smart farming technologies. IoT-based soil and crop monitoring. Soil probes, AgriThor Arable Mark II, measure real-time soil parameters. AI-based precision farming platforms, John Deere Field Connect, Trimble Ag software, suggest optimal sowing and irrigation schedules. Smart irrigation systems. AI-powered drip irrigation, Netafim, Hortal, automates water distribution based on real-time soil moisture data. LoRaWAN connected irrigation controllers, Sermatech eRice, AquaSpy, prevent water wastage. Livestock health monitoring. RFID and GPS trackers, Allflex, SenseHub, MooCall, monitor cattle movements, temperature, and reproductive cycles. Wearable biosensors, Cow Bolus, Cowlar, detect early signs of diseases and send alerts to farmers. AI-driven pest and disease detection. Computer vision models, deep learning for agriculture, detect crop diseases via drone images. Bioacoustic sensors monitor pest activity and trigger automated spraying systems. Agri-Robotics and AI automation. Autonomous tractors, John Deere 8R, Kubota tractor, use AI and GPS for precision planting. Drones, DJI Agras, Parrot Bluegrass, perform crop spraying and field mapping. AI-based fruit-picking robots, Abundant Robotics, Octinian, replace manual labor. 3. AI, machine learning, and predictive analytics. How does AI enhance IoT-driven farming? Deep learning models train on satellite imagery and sensor data to predict crop yield. LSEM neural networks forecast weather patterns for better farm planning. AI-powered decision support systems, DSS, suggest optimal pesticide use based on real-time pest infestation analysis. Computer vision plus edge AI, detect soil degradation and suggest corrective measures. Microsoft FarmBeats uses AI plus IoT to provide real-time farm insights and reduce agricultural waste. 4. Cybersecurity and IoT challenges in agriculture. Major security threats: data breaches and ransomware attacks on cloud-based farm management systems. IoT botnet attacks, Mirai-like threats on connected farm devices. Fake sensor data injection to manipulate smart irrigation and pesticide systems. Security solutions: end-to-end TLS 1.3 encryption for secure IoT communication. Zero Trust Architecture (ZTA) to prevent unauthorized access. AI-driven anomaly detection, dark trace AI, AWS Guard Duty, to monitor IoT devices for suspicious activity. Blockchain for agricultural supply chains to ensure transparency and fraud prevention. 5. Future of IoT in agriculture. What's next for smart farming? Emerging trends: digital twin technology, real-time virtual replicas of farms for AI simulations. 5G connected farms, low-latency AI-driven automation, bioengineered smart crops, CRISPR-edited crops optimized for IoT-assisted growth, autonomous agri-fleets, swarm robotics in large-scale fuel mingu. Theft companies leading the way. BASF's Zarviel, AI-driven crop analytics, ABM Watson Agriculture, predictive farming insights, John Deere, AI-powered autonomous tractors. With AI, 5G, and IoT, we are entering a new era of hyper-efficient, tech-driven agriculture. Conclusion: IoT in agriculture isn't just about technology. It's about feeding the world efficiently and sustainably. From AI-powered pest control to autonomous tractors, the possibilities are limitless. What's your take on smart farming? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nexus Spaces for more IoT insights. Thank you.